Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming KYC, PAN, and your bank are linked. Once done, enable F&O access in settings so the platform permits derivatives. Fund a margin-enabled account with the capital you can risk and set a clear risk rule. For example, 1% to 2% of capital per trade. Make sure to check margin requirements and brokerage fees now, because they affect position sizing and stop placement. This first step gets legal and financial basics out of the way so you can trade safely. Once your account is ready, search the symbol and pick the correct expiry and strike price. Choose futures versus options deliberately because risk profiles differ. Place a limit order to control entry and immediately add a stop loss. Calculate position size using available margin so you don't exceed limits. Monitor open interest, implied volatility, and basic Greeks to understand why prices move. This helps you manage trades and scale out or hedge when conditions change. To finish, decide whether to exit before expiry or roll the position forward. Closing avoids unexpected settlement demands. Use predefined targets and stop rules so emotions don't drive exits. Afterward, log your trade and review realized P and L to learn. If an order doesn't fill or is rejected, verify available margin, exchange circuit limits, and app alerts. Reconnect or contact support only after those checks. This final step closes the loop and gives you a clear troubleshooting action if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.